Ever wondered how professional oven cleaning really works? At Spotless4u, we use a proven step-by-step process to transform even the dirtiest ovens into looking brand new again. Here's how we do it. Step 1. Inspection. Our technician starts by carefully inspecting your oven. This helps us understand its condition and spot any problem areas that need extra attention. Step 2. Dismantling and soaking. All removable parts like racks, trays, and panels are taken out and placed in our heated soak tanks. These tanks are filled with a powerful cleaning solution that dissolves stubborn grease and burnt-on grime. Step 3. Glass cleaning. We split the oven door and cleaned the inside glass. No more streaks or baked-on residue, just crystal-clear glass so you can see your cooking again. Step 4. Deep cleaning the interior. Using eco-friendly detergents and professional tools, we remove every trace of carbon, grease, and burnt food. We don't miss a single corner. Step 5. Reassembling and polishing. Once every piece is spotless, we reassemble your oven and finish with a final polish. The result? A sparkling clean oven that's easier to maintain and ready for your next meal. At Spotless4u, we take the hassle out of oven cleaning. With professional equipment, trained cleaners, and years of experience, we make your oven shine like new again.